Aixun new release and integrated, intelligent and networked soldering station. T413 integrated smart soldering station released. T413 consists of a host, a power cord, a grounding wire, a T210 handle, a soldering tip and a bracket. It adopts a square industrial frequency transformer to prevent static electricity and interference. Soldering tip touch control is much more convenient than wire control. Neural network temperature control algorithm. Ensure rapid heating without overheating, reheating without cooling down. Main interface. Turn on the switch of T413 to start it. We can see the main interface of T413. The product model is displayed on the upper left corner. Further to the right are the version number and boot time. The current temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. Wi-Fi and buzzer are shown on the right. The handle model T210 is displayed on the right of the main interface. The most prominent number in the middle indicates the real-time temperature of the soldering tip. The left progress bar represents the power usage of the device. The three numbers at bottom refers to the temperature shortcut channels. Press M1-3 button to switch among three temperatures quickly. There is a metal sensor on the lower right corner of the device. Touch the metal sensor once to switch between standby and heating modes. Touch the metal sensor twice to switch among the temperature shortcut channels. Long touch the metal sensor to heat up continuously. Touch and hold on the metal sensor for cooling constantly. Press the set button to enter the curve interface. The red number on the left refers to the temperature. The green number on the right represents power. The blue number below represents the time. Press set to exit the curve interface. Temperature. Long press the set button to enter the settings interface. Select temperature. The first option of temperature is unit. We can switch between Celsius and Fahrenheit. Press M1-3 to go back. The second option is channel. Users can set the temperature shortcut according to their needs. Back to home interface. We can see that the required temperature has been set at the bottom of the home interface. Switch to compensate. Users can compensate for the temperature difference based on the actual temperature of soldering tip. A digital thermometer is needed during temperature calibration. Users need to prepare a thermometer by themselves. Here we calibrate with Aixun DT01. Firstly, set the temperature of the soldering tip to 300 degrees Celsius. Place the soldering tip on the triangle thermocouple of the digital thermometer. It can be seen that the actual temperature of the soldering tip is 305 degrees Celsius. Set temperature compensation to -5 degrees Celsius. Insert the soldering tip into the triangular thermocouple. The actual temperature of the soldering tip now is 300 degrees Celsius. It is the same as the temperature displayed on the host. The temperature calibration complete. Standby. Back to the setting options and select Standby. Select Temperature to set the temperature of standby mode. Here we set it to 150 degrees Celsius. Back to the main interface and we will see that the standby temperature is 150 degrees Celsius. You can also set the delay. After placing the handle into the holder, it will enter into standby mode automatically when reaching the delay time. Here we set the delay time to 3 seconds. Pick up the handle, heat it, and then put it back. We can see that the soldering tip goes into standby mode after 3 seconds. The third one, select sleep time. Here we set the sleep time to 1 minute. After 1 minute in sleep mode, it will enter eco mode. The soldering tip will enter normal temperature state from sleep heating state. System. Select System. The first option is language. We can switch between Chinese and English here. The second option is sound. It is turned on by default. If it's turned off, the station will enter mute state. The third one is Wi-Fi. You can choose to turn it on or off. You can scan the QR code on WeChat to enter the mini program to connect to Wi-Fi. Select device info. Select Aixun Assistant. Choose the Wi-Fi you want to connect with. Find the corresponding serial number in Aixun Assistant. Click Connect. Enter the password. The device will connect with Wi-Fi successfully. You can also connect to Wi-Fi through the Aixun platform on computer. Connect Type-C cable to computer. Download Aixun software from Aixun official website. Open Aixun software. Click on the Wi-Fi icon. Select the Wi-Fi you want to connect with. Enter password. Click Confirm. The device will connect with Wi-Fi successfully. The fourth is Screensaver. We can select weather and customize it here. Select the weather. Back to the main interface, and it enters the weather interface after entering standby mode for 10 seconds. The fifth one is Reset. Here it includes Restore All. We can restore all settings of the device. Restore temperature. The temperature can be restored to the default setting. Restore language. Restore to the default language. Restore standby. Restore to the default standby setting. The sixth is Time. You can see the boot time and the total working time of the device. The seventh is System Info. Here it includes version. In Service, we can find the customer service hotline and official website. Production date is shown as May 15, 2024. The eighth is Test. The first option is Security. You can set the continuous working time of the soldering tip. When it reaches the set time, the heating will stop automatically. Here we set it to 1 minute. Back to the main interface. Pick up the handle. You can see that the soldering tip stops working after 1 minute. And a pop-up reminder, Security triggered. Touch socket with solder tip to exit appears. The second one is P.com pen. After it is turned on, after touching solder, add target temp and melt tin, restore to set value after melting tin. The third one is Holder Test. Turn on the double-click detection. Recognize double-click holder, switch M1-3 temp. Turn on the swapping socket setting. Stop heating after touching socket, reheat by long touching holder. The fourth one is Fan Control. Turn on the fan when the machine temperature exceeds 30. The ninth one is Check Update. You can see the current version is the latest version. When there is a new version, choose Update. Besides, T413 supports remote upgrade. Connect the Type-C cable to the computer. Open Aixun software. The software will recognize the device automatically. Now we can see the latest version is 1.00. When a new version is updated in the future, select the version you want to upgrade to. Then click Start Upgrading to upgrade to the latest version. Aixun new release an integrated, intelligent and networked soldering station. It adopts a square industrial frequency transformer to prevent static electricity and interference. Soldering tip touch control is much more convenient than wire control. Neural network temperature control algorithm. Ensure rapid heating without overheating, reheating without cooling down. Turn off the device. That's the end of the operation video of T413. To learn more about Aixun products and software updates, please follow Aixun YouTube channel or official website www.aixun.com.